So I got this box in from Lego.com from a purchase I made during Double Points Week last week. So let's go ahead and open it up and let's take a look at what I got. And the first set in the box, set number 40410, the Charles Dickens A Christmas Carol set. And I didn't get this in the last time it was released, so I was happy that they re-released this for a Christmas in July giveaway. And the next set in the box is another free gift for purchase Lego Adidas set, which I already have one of these, so I'll probably give one of them away in an upcoming giveaway. And the last set in the box This is set number 10292, the Friends Apartment set. And I wanted to get this when it first was released, but I decided to wait for Double Points Week to purchase it. So I'm glad I didn't have to wait long. And that's it for this Lego haul. Once again, thanks for watching. And if you liked the video, please click like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And we'll see you in the next video.